The Gatorade dance, bum 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 bum. The Gatorade dance. Come on, do it with me. Chameleon.
All right, it's adventure time again. Here we are. I did come back up to Jones Gap this week. It's my favorite spot. This time, I got thing 1 and thing 2 with me. We got the deluxe $35 Walmart tent that I had to go with because my other 4-person tent tore. So I had to go out last minute last night and get that cheap tent because all my other tents are too small. And obviously we can't all sleep in a hammock together. So it should be fun. We'll try out the Ozark Trail 4-person tent. I brought an extra tarp just in case.
Chameleon.
Yeah.
Did they make that stuff?
Nature makes it.
One time did you go that way?
I actually camped over there one time.
What do you think of that sandwich?
I got like a 50-pound base weight. Just got to carry a 4-person tent. About 35 stuffed animals back here. Those are hiking, backpacking, camping requirements of children, comfort items. It makes your life a lot easier at night. That's one thing I've discovered. So a few additional tips hiking with kids. We've already had to take our first break. I can still see the parking lot. So patience. That's one. They like to learn the hard way. That way.
I'm gonna go swimming.
You'll die. That's why. Oh, you're gonna carry it?
Yeah.
You a big man?
Yeah.
How you gonna carry it in the front?
Muscles. Oh, I want to get muscles. Guys. These are the top 5 tips for kids for hiking. Okay, number 1. To get off weight, make your dad hold your water bottle or your backpack. Don't tell my dad that.
You guys are doing good. Keep it up. This part's a little tough too. Thanks.
Oh, yeah, we are.
On our first break.
Why are you letting me have a cheese?
I don't know. You want cheese? I don't want it.
Why don't you want it? That tastes really weird.
It's just a stronger, sharp cheese.
Some gems.
You got it, yay!
Then we picked the closest one.
Pick the third furthest one.
What is one?
The third.
Look at this.
You good, you got it. Come on.
Just making sure I'm not.
You want it? That's what makes you tired, carrying around a boulder.
I got you, my friends. Come on, I'll put him back in line. Look at this photo.
Guess what?
What?
We're here. We're here. They made it.
I have 2 miles.
Yeah, about 1.6 miles.
There we go. You sit you right there. This is me. Ta-da! Taking a video. Fishies are my very best. No, that's like all the fish's favorite food in that. Ow! Quiet too. You don't have dinner?
That's what we're eating for dinner. Those little pink things.
They're actually really good. I've tried
They're
one
super
before.
nutritious tablets. They're like a superfood.
So we gave them to the fish, but we also like them too.
If we can't catch a fish to eat, then we gotta eat the fish food.
But seriously, Jordan, they're actually really good, right, Dada?
No, they're not. All right, you're doing good with your firewood collecting. Tell me about what's your system for collecting firewood? How do you do it?
So I just go in there and get some wood and go here really fast.
What size wood are you looking for?
Looking for some big sticks.
Big sticks or little sticks?
Big and little.
Oh yeah, we got our little sticks here already, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I got my.
He wants to sleep and camp up there tonight by himself in a rock. Yeah.
Sleeping, just sleeping. I like nature. Wait, I'm gonna try to get it out of you guys. Guys, if you don't know what Spam is, then
We're not eating Spam night. What are we having tonight for dinner?
What do you think it is? It looks like chicken pot pie, but it's not. It's actually my favorite.
Chicken and dumplings. What'd you think of it, Jordan? He's drinking his hot chocolate now.
But tomorrow, if you do not know what Spam is, like,
You got food all over your mouth.
I just don't want to be, like, just don't subscribe. Just
Clean your mouth. There you go.
I just need to try Spam, like.
Fire going. We're gonna eat some space ice cream sandwiches. Watch Polar Express.
Oh, gosh.
Good morning, everyone.
This way in the water.
This one over here is like a little snug bug in a rug, man. He's got a sleeping bag and he's got a down blanket. How'd you sleep, Billy?
I don't know.
You just stay warm?
I'm needing to go to the bathroom, but
Yes. That's me. Kids can't tip, especially little girls. They like to go to the bathroom a lot. Be prepared.
Space.
I have to say,
also, if you do want to be a YouTuber, then, you know.
I'm trying to monologue here. Be quiet. Interrupt my monologue. Yeah. Okay. So the tent actually held up pretty good. For this cheap little $35 Walmart tent that we had to buy. The last ditch effort. Actually didn't do too bad. Hey Jordan, you waking up? You gonna tell us your Squirtle dream story?
What?
Tell us your story again about your dream.
I'm too sleepy to tell it.
I always bring the stuffed animal with me. His name's Cherry. I literally cry if I can't bring him. Like, and I definitely not bring him. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna go. Yeah. Okay, go.
The fuzzy dance. The fuzzy dance.
This is the fussy dance.
The fuzzy.
Fuzzy.
The fuzzy dance.
Whoa.
A jacket can be fuzzy. Everything can be fuzzy. Like a warm new blanket. It can be fuzzy.
Yeah! The hot cocoa mix. The hot cocoa mix. Hot cocoa mix. The hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. When you got hot chocolate. When you got hot chocolate. One can speak. Hot chocolate. Ooh, pa-pa, pa-pa.
You guys, are you recording this whole thing?
I'm singing the hot chocolate song.
Alright, to Ozark Trail. It's got the little door flap thing there. What I do really like is the little shoe storage area. It's got a little zip out. We had all our shoes in here last night. You can access it from inside or outside. Not bad. So, rainfly, stayed dry, had some condensation. We got a lot of rain, it stayed dry. So let's say, for a $35 tent, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Definitely 3-person, not 4. It's just me and 2 little kids, and we were pretty tight in there. What's going on down there? But yeah, I mean, it shed water pretty good. The tent poles are super heavy. The bottom of the floor, this is a good thing and a bad thing about the floor of this tent. It's like the blue tarp material, so it's very thick, heavy material. But when you take into consideration that if you bring out a lighter to the tent, like my Marmot tent, I have to bring a ground cloth for that tent because the bottom of it's thinner and you don't want to damage the bottom, so you're bringing a ground cloth and your tent. Whereas honestly, if you got something like this with a big tarp type bottom on it, you don't need the ground cloth. So in some ways you're you're combining 2 things at once.
Because I'm really cold.
I got Spear Guy here. What are you trying to catch?
Nothing, but
My gloves are not going to fit you. You're going to get them all dirty. That's why I don't want you wearing them. Because of that reason right there. Because see all that dirt on your hands? Got to be all on my gloves.
But I'm so cold.
Yeah? You need to get a hand warmer. That'll help you out. Alright, you take care of this. Give me 5. Good job. Made it. Down low. Oh, give me 5. Made it. Good job. Down low. Yeah. Good job, guys.
Bye.
It was fun. Bye. Good job, guys.